Hello, my friends. How are you all doing? Welcome once again to my kitchen. And in today's video, we're going to make my favorite bread, Pão de Queijo, Brazilian cheese bread. Want to learn how? So, shall we check out this recipe? And I'm going to start by bringing to a boil 150 ml of oil, measured to the line in a standard glass. 150 ml of water, same measurement. And 150 ml of milk. I'm going to bring it to a boil. And here in this bowl, I'm going to add 500 grams of sour tapioca starch. If you prefer to use sweet tapioca starch, you can do that too. The difference is that it rises a little less. One dessert spoon of salt. I'm going to mix the two together. My liquid has already boiled, and now I'm going to scald the tapioca starch. I'm going to mix it and let it cool until I can handle the dough with my hands. The dough is already warm. I can put my hands in now, and I'm going to add 3 whole eggs. Crack them one by one so you don't risk ruining your recipe. And finally, I'm going to add the cheese. Here I'm using 200 grams of semi-cured minus cheese. I grated it using a slightly coarser grater. If you want to use a different cheese, you can do that too. Mozzarella cheese or prao cheese. And to intensify the cheese flavor a bit more, I'm going to add 25 grams. That's half a packet of grated Parmesan cheese. Now just mix it all together well. The dough is ready. And this is the texture it should have, look. It's a really sticky dough. Now we're going to start shaping the cheese bread. I have a little bit of oil here that I'm going to use to grease my hands so I can roll the dough. You don't need to grease the baking tray. Rub the oil on your hands. And then you can make them whatever size you want. I'm going to roll all of my dough. I've already filled one tray, see, and make sure to leave some space between each one because they will expand. I'm going to put them in the oven, which I've already prepared. It's preheated to 200 degrees Celsius. I'm going to let them bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. I've already rolled all the dough. I ended up with, guys, 38 pieces, each about 34 grams. I weighed a few and since they're all pretty similar, look, 34 grams each ball. I'm not going to bake all of them, so what am I going to do? I'm going to freeze my cheese breads. Here, I put them in a baking dish with a plastic bag at the bottom. I'm going to cover them with another piece of plastic and put them in the freezer. Once they're frozen solid, I can take them out, put them in a tightly sealed bag, and then I have cheese bread ready to bake whenever I want. When you're ready to eat them, bake them straight from frozen. And you'll notice that they won't rise as much as the fresh dough we're baking right now, okay? And look, these just came out of the oven. Oh my goodness, how delicious! I'm going to let them cool a little, set up a nice presentation here, and I'll be right back so we can taste them. In the meantime, go ahead and leave me a like, share with your friends on social media, and in your family WhatsApp groups. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these delicious recipes. I'll leave my Facebook fan page and my Instagram down below. I hope to see you there too. And now it's time to try it, right guys? There's nothing else to do. And to make it even better, a little coffee, right? Look at this, guys. I absolutely love it. Honestly, friends, I think this is one of the things I like most in life. Good morning. I hope you enjoyed it. That was my suggestion for you today. I'll leave it here for now. Sending you a kiss from here. May God be with you and see you in the next video, God willing.